Hello, dear Dinka learners. Welcome back again. Today we are going to learn how to introduce yourself in Dinka language. So, in Dinka language, when you meet people, you have to greet them first. After greeting them, you start by saying your name. You say where you come from and where you are going. At the end, you have to appreciate the people for welcoming you and giving you time to introduce yourself. So, that's a normal way of meeting people and greeting people in Dinka language. So let us see how you can introduce yourself in Dinka language. So watch the full video to the end so that you can learn this important topic in Dinka language. So let us begin from number one. You start by greeting. Wig achamot. Wig achamot mean I greet you all. Chuwig back. Chuwig back. How are you? Chuwig back mean how are you? You can also say Wegachamot, I greet you all. These are two ways of greeting people. Then after greeting, you come back and start introducing yourself. Say your name and where you come from. And Brianche Luel and Brianche Luel. I will say my names. Rianche Achol Maleng Deng. Rianche Achol Maleng Deng. Mean my names are Malek Deng. Or you can also say Anchol William Majak. Anchol William Majak. I am called William Majak. So you put your name there instead of William Majak. So these are two ways of saying your name in Dinka language. You greet people. After greeting, you say your name. After you say your name, you start by saying, you tell the people where you come from. So let us see. Anbo Genchol Nyamlel. And Bo Genchol Nyamlel mean I come from Nyamlel town. I come from Nyamlel town. Ku en beduk niak. Ku en beduk niak mean and I will return back tomorrow. And I will return back tomorrow. Duk niak mean return back tomorrow. Niak mean tomorrow. After that, you can appreciate them. If you don't have much to say, you can appreciate the people for giving you time to introduce yourself. So let us see how you can appreciate them. And chipo miat apay dit yakole. And chipo miat apay dit yakole. I am very excited today. Why are you excited? Kishiwek and Laura up. Kishiwek and Laura up for welcoming me well. So you are excited. You tell people how you are happy because they welcome you well. We actually paid it. We actually paid it. I appreciate you so much. Nyalish abueg dodge. Nyalish abueg dodge. God will bless you all. If you want to go, you can start by saying Ogabu ben rom la ruon tui. Ogabu ben rom nyak. Ogabu ben rom la ruon tui mean we shall meet next year. And Shibijam Apay and Shibijam Apay. I will not talk too much. Jam dear about coach iten. Jam dear about coach iten. My speech will end here. So Yenakan, the end by William Majak Malek Deng. Ran Pui Tongjang or Dinka language. Please, you go to our YouTube. The name of our YouTube channel is called Dinka English TV5. Please go there and subscribe. Share the video to your loved one. Watch the full video. Bye bye.